Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to find or check your screen time usage on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you want to see your screen time usage and even by app usage in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is just swipe up on your home screen and select the setting button on this page. You want to then go underneath apps, so go ahead and select that. And then under general, you want to select screen time. Without even clicking on it, you can actually see how much screen time you've used so far today. But if you decide to click on it, you can see more information up here at the top. And you can also use this little back arrow to then adjust by day. And then if you scroll down, you can see the usage by app. So whether the Chrome or YouTube or settings perhaps, and you can also show all of your apps too if you scroll down. So pretty cool little feature there, guys. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.